Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Apple TV plus 3 months free trial. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm going to show you how you can access this offer. Whether you've just purchased a new Apple device, you're a student looking for extra perks, or you simply want to try Apple TV Plus before paying. First, open the Apple TV app on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV device. If you've recently purchased a new Apple product, you're eligible for a 3-month free trial. Make sure you're signed in with the same Apple ID that is linked to your new device. Once you're signed in, you'll usually see a banner or pop-up saying, "Enjoy 3 months free of Apple TV Plus." Simply tap on Claim Offer, and your free trial will start immediately. Just keep in mind that you must redeem this offer within 90 days of activating your new device. Next, if you're a student, there's another easy way to get Apple TV Plus for free. You can subscribe to the Apple Music Student Plan, which includes Apple TV Plus at no extra cost. During the sign-up process, you'll be asked to verify your student status through UniDays. Once verified, your Apple TV Plus access will automatically be activated, along with your Apple Music subscription. Another option you can try is the Apple One free trial. Apple One bundles Apple TV Plus, Apple Music, iCloud, and other services into a single plan. To access this, go to your device settings, then Subscriptions, and select Try Apple One. This will give you 1 month of free access to all included services, which is a great way to explore more of Apple's ecosystem. To make everything work smoothly, ensure that your Apple ID is active, your payment method is added, even though you won't be charged during the trial, and your device is updated to the latest software version. Once your trial is activated, you can start streaming instantly, from popular shows to movies and documentaries. It's also a smart idea to set a reminder before the trial ends so you can decide whether to continue or cancel without getting charged. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Apple TV plus 3 months free trial. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.